is my good friend Mike Noel. So introducing first, out of the red corner, Connor McCoon. And out of the blue corner, Travis Kent, Columbus Boxing. Some of these just...
Travis opens up with a series of punches. Travis coming straight forward. A little wild. Just needs to settle down a bit. Travis landing a right hand earlier. Got another right hand in there. Travis is missing. His opponent is jamming to the body. Travis lands a good left hand. A series of punches to the body. He needs to cut his opponent off. Another left hand landed by Travis. Travis just missing with a long right, but lands a left hand. Long right hand landed by Red. Good shots landing by Travis now. He's getting in on his opponent. Closing in. But his opponent is trying to fire back. Travis is blocking all of those shots. Long counter right hand by Blue. Excuse me, Red. Shots being landed by Red now. Oh, another left hand by Travis. A right hand lands afterwards. This is a very good fight. Travis has to cut the ring off. Left hand lands again. Okay, here we go. The final round. Round 3. Both guys throwing punches. Travis lands a good long right hand. He's missing a lot of shots. He has to slow it down some. He needs to get closer. I think he's able to land all of them and he gets in closer. Right hand lands by Red. Referee tells him to stop. Tells Red to keep his head up. Right, left lands for Red. Travis landed a couple of shots earlier. Long jab landed by Travis. Travis lands that right hand to the body. Travis is backing off and his opponent is coming on. Left hand landed again by Travis. Travis is most of the fight. There we go, that's the end.
Round of applause. And your winner out of the red corner, Connor McCoon.